Look, mate, this video found you. You didn't find it. You know what I'm saying? And I wanted to explain to you how you can actually make $10,000 a month and what is the best way to actually achieve it. Because I literally locked myself in a room until I achieved this. And this, I go back way till 2020 because that's when I got like my first breakthrough success. As you can see here, I started like here. And by May 2020, I was close to the $10,000 a month. And eventually, of course, I hit it over time, but I'm going to explain you quite a few things and the reason why most people fail. Because to be completely honest, I understand the struggle. I started my venture, like my business venture, back in 2017. And back in the day, I was just like, as everybody, just like looking for YouTube videos and whatnot. And I was trying to get into drop shipping because that was the first business model that I was aware of, that you can just travel around the world and just manage your own online business and whatnot. So I was just like completely married to that idea. You know what I'm saying? However, I didn't find success until 2020, and it came from a very unexpected way. Because even although I was like completely locked in the idea of making it through e-commerce, it wasn't that way, but I did whatever it took in order to achieve it. So let me explain you quite a few things. And the main reason, like to be completely honest, and the main reason why most people fail is because first of all, they don't have what it takes. But what is they don't have what it takes? They don't make a committed decision. Meaning like they say like, oh yeah, I'm gonna try this. They try for a few months, and if it fails, like they just quit. You know what I'm saying? I was trying for at least 3 years until I achieve a breakthrough success. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing a lot of things, like for example, this bracelet that I'm wearing here is from my first brand back in 2015. And then I transitioned into e-commerce. It didn't work out. You know what I'm saying? So it was until 2020 when I achieved first breakthrough success. And honestly, I thought for the longest time that I was wondering, like, even although I was watching all these YouTube videos and checking whether if like results and proof and everything, you start wondering whether if this is true or not. Especially when you haven't made like that amount of money. Let's say if you're just making like a regular job income, like you start to wonder whether if these people are actually making money. You see these pictures with $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $50,000 a month, and whatnot, and you start to wonder whether if it's actually real. And I'm gonna tell you that it is real, and I'm gonna show you proof over here. Like once I achieved this, I was completely mind blown. It was life changing money from me. Because, for example, just to give you a little bit of background, I'm from Mexico. So imagine like this is a crazy good income in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? And then next month I did close to 9,000, then 10,000. So everything just changed over here. You know what I'm saying? So it was like completely mind blowing. And just stay with me because like I'm gonna tell you quite a few things that would just open your perspective, and you will be like, oh wow, because like I can definitely relate with you guys. Like I understand that when you see all these videos and you see all these people flexing stuff and whatnot, you wonder what if it's real, or you always tell them like, oh, this might be a scam and everything, because you try anything under the sun and it's not working. And it's very easy to judge people based on that, because you think it's a scam. And I was up to that point. I was like, is this real? Like, are people faking results? Are they renting cars? Are they doing all that stuff? But it's actually real, and it actually gives you like only until you achieve this you start to realize like that it's actually real, and then your whole reality changes. Because once you start earning money, you start like meeting new people and all that stuff. I can talk more about like networking and how your life changed on another video, but it changed everything. After $10,000 a month, life became I think like that's the best life you can actually get as a regular person. So because you have basically full freedom. So what it actually takes to succeed, what I was telling you, like, and the reason why this title resonated with me, it's because I've seen like quite a few videos regarding this, and it's actually true. Because back in the day, like I was so sick for the fact that I mean, just to give you some example, like I was trying this in 2017, and I was just like, months passed by and nothing happened. I was learning, I was executing, implementing, trying to do like some advertisements. I tried trading, I tried e-commerce, I tried like physical businesses, I tried everything, but I never managed to make money. And my real business venture started like in 2013. I was actually selling like the first e-cigarettes, and at least in my hometown, and it worked quite well, but I never managed to do the breakthrough. You know what I'm saying? So it took me till my first business 7 years. So it's a long time, but because nobody teach me how. And nowadays you can actually have references. There's YouTube, there's AI, like you have a lot of references. So I understand how you can feel when you're starting up, but trust me, it's completely possible. And then, fast forward 2018, 2019, like I got like a little bit of success, but just like a taste, because I was making money online. So I knew it was possible, but you start to realize like, do these people actually make that amount of money? Because even although I was trying, I hit the ceiling, I hit the ceiling, and I couldn't manage to find like actual success until 2020. You know what I'm saying? And the reason being was because by 2020, I literally locked myself up, and nothing else matters. You know what I'm saying? Like, no girls, no hanging around with friends and everything, because I was so close to the idea that the only thing that matters was my success. Because the person I was here in my mind was not the person that I was in reality. So for me, was there was no sense going, dating a girl or just like going to parties and whatnot, because I wasn't the person I wanted to become. So for me, it was like I was literally tunnel vision, and that's what it takes to actually become successful, because nothing else matters. Because once you get to that point of obsession, that is like, I have to make it no matter what, because I didn't want to work like a 9 to 5 job. I didn't want to live a regular lifestyle. I couldn't date girls because I didn't have any money. You know what I'm saying? And I going to party was expensive, so it was like, yeah, this is nonsense. So I literally full focus and locked myself in my room. And actually, just a quick story. Like, I started like in 2020. What my first income before my actual success was doing like in usertesting.com. I was just happy getting $10 per test. It was super easy money, but coming from Mexico, like that's good money. As long as I was making money online and not being able to go to school because I had dropped out, I was completely happy. But the main reason why I was like successful was because I was ignoring all the noise as well. Like, you have to ignore the noise. It really doesn't matter what people say, like whether you're not gonna be successful or not. Like, trust me, I'm living proof that it's actually possible. And I understand sometimes you might feel like, no, this is not like, and you feel discouraged, and you just like, it's very easy to quit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm gonna give it a try for 5 months. I've tried for 7 years. You know what I'm saying? And of course, it was not like 7 years, but at least 3 committed years from 2017 to 2020. I tried like, I'm talking to like full focus, you know what I'm saying? And it's very hard. And I got into many discouragements, many family issues, and I didn't have any money. And it was so stressful, and I had a girlfriend and I didn't have like enough money to even go on dates with her. It was a hassle. So I know the struggle, but it's possible. And like, if you're from a first world country, like, you have a huge advantage over someone who's not from a first world country like Mexico. You know what I'm saying? So just take that in consideration, because this started to go, and then I never stopped from here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I went full focus. I hit like, this was my biggest month and whatnot. I'm gonna talk to it in a later video and whatnot, but it was life changing money for sure, like life changing. And like, what it takes to actually succeed is like putting yourself a goal. Like, I'm gonna tell you, like, this is real talk. This is like real talk. This is not something you're gonna find like a as a guru and whatnot. Like, I'm gonna tell you like my actual raw experience. I'm just talking here like shirtless, because like, one of the main reasons why I'm recording these videos is because like, and in this way, without editing and whatnot, is because like, a lot of people have told me like, oh, you have very good information, can help a lot of people. But I was like, oh, but I have to have like good video editing and all that stuff. And I was like, you know what, fuck it. Like, fuck it, I'm just gonna share my knowledge, my experience, and perhaps inspire someone. And the very first thing that you must do if you want to actually become successful is just read this book, Think and Grow Rich, or reread it as many times as you can. I have read this at least 50 times. And the reason being is because most people have read this book and they're not rich. And they're like, oh no, but like, this is literally a blueprint to success. If you actually pay attention to what it says, it's literally a blueprint to success. And I'm telling you, this is responsible for my life change, and millions of people. But if it's not changing your life, it's because you haven't grasped the actual content on it. And the next thing was because I had a goal card. This goal card was responsible because I write down my goal in present tense. I want to earn $10,000 a month in e-commerce by X date. And even though I didn't hit the date, I eventually hit it. You know what I'm saying? But the whole idea is to read it as much as you can, because therefore you start attracting and thinking more about your goal. And it has to be on present tense, because you start attracting like these thoughts. So, for example, you think like, oh, I'm gonna make $10,000. I'm like, I'm happy and grateful for earning $10,000 a month. So therefore, you start thinking thoughts relating to your goal, and it's very important to listen to it in the morning and before going to bed, because that's where you can like trigger your subconscious mind more quicker, and therefore you accept that as a reality, because your subconscious mind doesn't know what's true and what's imagined. You know what I'm saying? So this little goal card made a huge difference. The book, because the book gives you the understanding, and the goal card give you like pretty much like the law of attraction side of things. I'm not gonna go into in depth into the woo woo side of things, but it works. Just focus on a goal card. Just write here your goal, put your date, and sign it. It's also like important to have it like signed. I have it here signed, and because now you're committed. You know what I'm saying? And therefore, what happens, like, you start attracting things. One door opens to another and all that stuff, because you start thinking thoughts related to your goal, how to make money, how to do this. It's very important that you be specific on how you want to achieve it, because therefore you start attracting more of these things. So for me, it was e-commerce. One e-commerce video like gave me another e-commerce video and whatnot. So it started to pretty much unfold over time. So it's very important, and it really takes much more than what people say. A lot of people will say like, oh, just need persistence and commitment and whatnot, which is true, but it goes much more in depth. You know what I'm saying? Like it's actually a little bit more abstract, but once you understand it, it just makes sense. It's just logic, and it's like, yeah, I'm gonna achieve it. So I had like a full confidence eventually, even although I haven't seen not success, I was completely confident I'm gonna achieve it. And I really remember very well. It was like around January 2020. I just felt like in my family there was like some financial struggles, and for some reason I just felt like a huge sense of peace because I knew and I was confident in my skills that it was just a matter of time until it manifests, and it happened. You know what I'm saying? It happened, and this is proof of it. Back in 2020, this is like proof of it. This is when my life changed in April. It was April actually, because that's when I was starting getting consistency. you know so that's pretty much what it actually I mean, it takes. I was reading, I was meditating, I was trying anything under the sun until I finally achieved it. Because nobody teach me. Back in the day there was less information. Nobody teach you. Like, it's very important to follow people who actually are legit. Because there's a lot of nonsense as well, like online. Like, that's why a lot of people believe that everything's a scam and whatnot, because there's a lot of scammers, but there's also like a lot of good people who are legit. But you need to think like, who am I listening to? What are their results? What have they accomplished? Is this guy know what he's talking about? Where are the receipts? You know what I'm saying? You need to be asking these things, in order to do that. And the best way to actually begin, in my experience, is pretty much freelancing. And I'm telling you this like straight up. Stay with me before you actually quit this video, because you don't understand why I'm saying this. The reason why I'm saying freelancing was because the reason why I started freelancing was because I wanted to have money to fund my e-commerce business, which I didn't have any money. You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to have some money so I can fund my e-commerce business, until I realized that I can make much more money with this than with the e-commerce side of things, because I was just stressed all the time trying to get money for ads and all that stuff, when I realized that I can offer this as a service. The only thing I was training my time for money, but guess what? I didn't care, because I was making more money than I would ever expect making. I thought Fiverr was a thing, because this is Fiverr. So freelancing on Fiverr. Fiverr, I thought it was a platform for just like cheap services, like $5 services, cheap services, and whatnot. But it's not the case. You can actually sell your services for at least, well, like, this is like the sweet spot, and it's actually very achievable to make such amount of money. Like, it's very simple to actually earn $10,000 a month once you understand it. And the reason why I'm saying it's actually very beneficial to start freelancing is because there is no risk whatsoever in getting started. It's completely free to get started with Fiverr. It's completely free to actually, like, you don't have to pay anything. You know what I mean? Like, different like than Upwork, you have to pay for connects and all that. Connects is like something to send proposal to clients and whatnot. And on Fiverr, clients comes to you. You don't have to chase clients. You don't have to put your face out there. You don't have to do sales call. You don't even have to be proficient in English. Like, I'm Mexican, like I don't speak English. It's not my first language. You know what I'm saying? So it's definitely the best way to get started, because I never realized it. It was an accident. I just needed some money. I just needed some money to pretty much like get a little bit to just live by, until I figured out the e-commerce side of things. And the funny thing is that I wrote on my card that I wanted to achieve $10,000 a month, $10,000 a month through e-commerce. And even although it wasn't exactly as I expected, it was regardless related. You know what I'm saying? Because I was offering e-commerce services. The only thing it was, instead of me achieving that goal from my own personal e-commerce business, it was by me offering those services. So that's when I stumbled upon it. It was just amazing how this little thing actually works, and how you can actually change your life by freelancing. You know what I'm saying? And eventually you can hire people and whatnot. But all this money you're seeing here, you can see that that was how much I ended up the year. It was completely just freelancing, so it's 100% profit margin. So that's a life-changing money for most people that are not like from first world countries. Even for first world countries, like, this is like a decent amount of income, like gives you like a respectable amount of freedom. You don't have to work a 9 to 5. You can just work at your times and everything, so it's completely achievable. And the whole idea here is to start now. Nothing is holding you back. Fiverr is free to start. If you want to learn how to actually get started on Fiverr, you can see my videos. But this is the harsh truth. And I'm saying harsh truth because a lot of people don't understand what it actually takes to become successful. A lot of people are not ready to just commit until one thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, they say like, oh, I'm gonna try trading, or his friend is actually making a little bit of money in crypto, so I'm gonna try it. Then you spend a little bit of money. You're like, oh my god, like, I lose my money, my hard-earned money, and all that stuff. So it's hard. I understand it's hard. So that's why I'm saying it's easier to start from a service-based business, offer it. And Fiverr is pretty much the easiest way to get started, because it gives you like the opportunity to sell many services, and the people reach out to you. Because when you're starting out as a freelancer, it's also a headache trying to compete for attention for other clients. You know what I'm saying? Like try to reach out and proposal. If you don't have a personal brand, if you don't have a huge audience, it's very hard to get attention. You know what I'm saying? But on Fiverr, everybody has an opportunity. And of course, once you understand how it works, it's easy. And I'm telling you because I'm proof of this. I understand how it works because I've been doing this for the past 5 years, and now I'm fully confident on teaching this. And that's why I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna sell you something on this video or anything. I'm just telling you so you have like a better awareness, because it's very possible. It's really possible. I understand that it can be sometimes like discouraging. I understand. I've been there. I've done that. Like I know what it takes, and how it changed your life. Like now, right now, I'm in Bali with my friends. I'm living with multimillionaire friends and everything, and it was just because of Fiverr. You know, this was my cash cow, which eventually helped me just develop like different business ventures and investing my money properly and whatnot. I also lost a lot of money as well, so that's also like a like the hassle of the business. Like the things happen. But I hope this video makes sense. Please drop a comment below if you like this type of videos. If you don't like this type of videos, let me know. If you think this video is trash, say, hey, yo, it's trash. That'll be good feedback. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, just say like, hey, this is a good video, a thumbs up, maybe subscribe or whatever. Just let me know, because otherwise, I don't know. I can have a lot of information that might help a lot of you guys, especially when you're starting like figuring out how to make money or what the best way to make money. And I'm telling you because I live with friends that are like into crypto or into SEO. They have e-commerce businesses, social media marketing agencies. They have many different. I mean, I have. Once you start like growing and expanding your network, you start to to be surrounded by these people who have made like much more than $10,000 a month from these different businesses. So I can have like an understanding and perspective of which one is better, especially when you're starting out, because not everybody has the same opportunity. But I believe personally, based on what I've seen with my friends and everything, that Fiverr is one of the best ones, because you don't have any money to begin with, and that's a big struggle when you're starting out, or especially when you don't want to spend any money. That's a big thing. A lot of people, when you're trading, or like, it becomes very emotional, because when you're trading on crypto and all that stuff, when you lose money, it gives you like a very emotional impact, which is not good for your mental health. So it's better to start with something that has like as zero risk as possible. So I hope this video makes sense. If you want to reach out, just follow my socials, and yeah, you can have proof of it like through all my videos and my socials.